students. I'm here again with my next topic, and the topic is X to do on the day of interview. I'm Dakshina, and I want to show you how to act to do on the day of interview. What you can do to feel comfort or calm when you will go to any interview. Let's see. First, be punctual. It is always better to arrive an hour early than arriving a few minutes late. That leaves a bad impression. This will give you ample time to catch your breath, gather your thoughts, and make a quick trip to the washroom to give your appearance on the final check. Report your arrival to the receptionist. Body language. The key to success is to work your body in tune with your mouth. Positive movements should support positive comments. Raise your eyebrows slightly upon meeting the draw attention. Your facial expression can tell many stories. Enter the room with a relaxed smile. This will give a perception of openness and a friendly attitude and will put both the parties at ease. Greetings. When you first step into the interview room, all the attention will be naturally on your face. And it is a key point when the interviewer forms an impression about you. So give positive expressions. Handshake. A firm, upright handshake is appropriate and projects confidence. Make eye contact when you shake. A limp handshake portrays weakness and lack of confidence. At the same time, crushing the interviewer's hand portrays dominance. The handshake is last not more than 3 to 5 seconds. Eye contact. Try to establish an eye contact as early as possible. If you try to avoid eye contact, the interviewer may perceive that you are hiding something or an element of untrustworthiness. Sitting. Always wait for the interviewer to offer you a seat. If not offered, ask. Sitting before the interviewer offers you the seat can give very bad impression like overconfidence, arrogance or nervousness. Be brief. During the initial phase of the interview, the interviewer does the majority of the talking, explaining about the position, the company, and other general information. At this stage, positive body language works to your advantage. Be cautious about transmitting any negative non-verbal messages. The interviewer will catch them from your eyes, face, and upper body. The best interviews have a give and take atmosphere. Parting. If you feel the interview has not fared well and that you have already been rejected, do not display your discouragement. Once in a while, an interviewer who is genuinely interested in you may seem to discourage you as a way of testing your reaction. Remember to thank the interviewer for his or her time and end the session with a confident and firm handshake. On the completion of the interview, rising before you are invited to do so forms an impression of being impatient and not interested in the interview. Shake hands upright in the same manner as you did when you arrived. This display friendliness and acceptance of the interview and also leaves a positive impression on the interview. Finally, walk away with energy. Follow up. This is a crucial and often overlooked final step in the interviewing. It is essential that you write a thank you note to every person you met at the company. Your most important letter should go to interviewer. In your letter, be sure to summarize your conversation and re-emphasize the skills you would bring to the position. Thank them for their time and ask if it is all right to call later to see how their search for a candidate is going. That candidate may well be you. In order to succeed in an interview, each individual must make an honest self assessment and find out one's areas of strength and weakness. Knowledge of one's deficiency is useful in overcoming weakness, and unconscious bad habits of posture or speech can be improved your effort. Thank you.